Hello everybody, this is Hoover Central, and we are going to be doing vacuums and tier lists, because I've seen people doing lots of tier lists. First up is Bissell, second is Hoover, next is Electrolux, and then Miele, Dyson, Goblin, Ulrich, Pneumatic International, Shark, Vax, and that's all. First up, Bissell. It's a very good vacuum cleaner, but in terms of quality, it's pretty bad. Neutral, C tier. Next up is Hoover. They were the first ones to make vacuums. Their quality has turned bad now, unlike the ones before, so I put that a B tier because they were the first to make vacuums. Third is Electrolux. That's a very good brand, but turned out like Hoover and Bissell. So I'd put that a D tier, because they're basically copying. Next up is Miele. You know what I think of that. Quality is amazing. S tier. Dyson. Next up, obviously, A tier. S tier. Next up is Goblin. They have very bad quality, but they do very well in my mess tests. So I'd put that a B. Ulrich. Haven't fully tried this out, but it does sound like a good vacuum in terms of quality and very good suction, and it's bagged. And some are bagless, I think. But I'll put that in a C tier because I haven't tried that out yet. Pneumatic International, obviously S tier. Shark, they're good and the filters clog up really easy. So it's like an expensive vacuum in a cheap vacuum. That's what I say. So I'd put that in an A tier because it's okay. Lastly, Vax. They've turned up like Hoover, Bissell, Electrolux, and Goblin. Bad quality. I'd put that in a D tier because I quite like the suction of them. And there you have it. That's the tier list done. If you liked it, please like and subscribe with notifications on. Feel free if you want to. It's free and it doesn't cost you any money. And let me know if you want to do any of these videos in the future. And if you want to see any other vacuums on tier lists, tell me in the comments brands of vacuums, and I will search them up and check how good they are and what they're like, and I'll put them in a tier list for you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hoover Central out.